Hey folks, today we're going to be working in the home shop. Got to install this clunkless check valve on my sump pump. Every time the sump pump shuts off, it sounds like the cops are beating on the door. I'm waiting for somebody to yell, "Search warrant!" I didn't even realize there wasn't a check valve in it. I feel bad for my kid because he slept right above this thing for like the last 6 years, so every time the pump shut off, the thing goes doo 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 doo. Wakes him up. Wakes me up anyway, even with my headphones on, listening to the sweet sounds of Enya. Now, ever since the kid moved out, we just kind of turned that into the nap room / dog house. We call it a guest room if we ever had any guests, but we don't anymore. I used to have some epic parties where we'd wake up and it looked like fucking Jamestown, but those days are over. So let's mosey on down to the dungeon and see if this thing actually works. I'll be surprised if it does for 20 bucks. Now this is what I've been dealing with. Get a load of this. Oh, fuck, man. Whoa. I had a girlfriend that had one of these under her bed. Said it was a flashlight from the military. Looked just like this. Looks like I'm going to have to get out a measuring stick. I'm going to have to cut some of that PVC back. This is my favorite painting in the nap room. My oldest son painted this for me. That's LaQuisha. He wrote a little inscription. I think I got it somewhere. Yeah, there it is. Dad, you've always been like a father to me. Here's a painting of your favorite kid for your office if you'd like. Happy Father's Day. Love, son, and dog. Brings a tear to my eye every time I see it. I laughed, I cried, I cut my paws off. Please get your ball. Okay, now comes the messy part. I'm going to have to take this coupler apart, and I'm sure this pipe's full of water. So, put some towels down on the floor, and hopefully it's not that bad. Oh, shit! Well, not only do I got to check for leaks, but I also got to make sure it works. First, I'm going to hand torque those hose clamps. I don't trust my judgment with the little Makita. Alright, well the well's full, so it's going to run a little longer than it normally does. Here we go. Contact. Hey, no leaks. Looking good so far. Almost there. Well, fuck me gently with a chainsaw. That was quiet as a church mouse. 20 bucks, man, it works. Fuck yeah! Well, there you have it, folks. The clunkless check valve from Menards for $18.99. It worked. Silenced that nap room up. I'm going to probably pop a couple Coors Lights since the old lady's not going to be home for a while. and see if I can't get one of them naps in. Water source, Norwalk, Ohio. Water source USA, made in Canada. If you need one, I could say it worked twice anyway. I am in no way affiliated with these guys, nor do I accept any kind of affiliate programs, nor do I endorse any products. I'm just telling you what I found. So, kick ass. Thanks for watching.
Grab a brush and put a little makeup. Hide the scars and fade away the shake up. Why'd you leave the keys up on the table? Here you go, create another fable. Grab a brush and put a little makeup. Hide the scars and fade away the shake up. Why'd you leave the keys up on the table? I don't